I have said it, and I want to repeat that irresponsible leaders are the greatest threat to national security. That is period. And using such platforms to raise the level of awareness and ask for national consensus conversation, I am happy that now there is a conversation. Everybody is crying about gangs. There was a time it was monopolized by a few leaders. Now it is owned by more leaders, and they are fighting with more leaders. So the whole place is chaotic. And the people who are causing those chaos are those in leadership. This is the right forum for me to raise the awareness. No amount of guns, bullets, tear gas can resolve this problem. Let me tell you, if you, a small county like Busia, not so small, if you are counting the number of police officers in that place, there are very few officers, and they are focused on police station, general duties, administrative work, and so forth. To have even a rapid response unit there, maybe one unit. To have, you can't even have there, you can't say you have enough GSU. So the first point of call when it comes to safety of the people is a society that has a consensus about living together in harmony, a dignified political discourse that focuses on issues, competition that is around issues. I must say that I'm very proud of my county. Not to say this here, but Elgeyo Marakwet is one of the counties that has no single criminal gang, no goons. It is the only county where, I was a senator just the other day, you can give a lift to your opponent. You're going together to a baraza. You talk, and you can even ask your opponent, nisaidia 5,000, kwa sababu wewe you are in office, na unaweza peana 50 kwa harambee, nisaidia 5. People laugh after the campaigns and they go home. But in a number of counties, leaders cannot just come to church. Merely church function is impossible. You go to some church arambe's and you cannot even, as someone cannot even be preached. Some characters who are drunk behind there are shouting, 2 term this one, 2 term the other one, 1 term this one, 1 term the other one.